Welcome to Quick Start Tips for Generative AI focused on chatbot effectiveness. I'm Dan Runfola from the Department of Data Science at William & Mary. Let's dive straight into practical tips you can use today. Generative AI is surprisingly sensitive. The difference between a mediocre answer and a great one often comes down to how you phrase it. Tiny edits in your wording can totally change the tone, depth, or usefulness of the response. Think of prompting like ordering food from a very literal robot waiter. Let's start with tip 1. Ask for structure. Chatbots often ramble by default. If you want something you can scan or reuse, ask for lists, tables, or bullet points. Structured output is easier to digest and easier to copy into emails, slides, or spreadsheets. Tip 2. Add constraints. When the model goes too far, rein it in. Use phrases like 3 bullet points or keep it under 100 words. It helps the model stay focused and saves you time editing afterward. Tip 3. Use roleplay to provide context. Instead of saying, "Review my resume," try, "You are a NASA hiring manager reviewing my resume." The chatbot will shift its tone, assumptions, and priorities. The feedback gets a whole lot more specific. Tip 4. Stack your instructions. For example, first summarize this, then reword it, then offer 3 suggestions. This turns a single prompt into a mini workflow. It's especially helpful when working with simpler models or trying to guide complex reasoning. Tip 5. Prompt iteratively. Think of your first output as a draft, not a destination. Then say things like, "Make it funnier," "Now write it as a limerick," or "Give it a tweet-friendly version." Iteration leads to better results and more creativity. Tip 6. Specify your audience. Telling the model who you're writing for makes a big difference. Explaining inflation to a 10-year-old should not sound like a policy brief. Just a small phrase like "write for high school students" can change everything. Tip 7. Test for reliability. Chatbots can sound confident even when they're totally wrong. Ask for citations, links, or quotes. If the model can't tell you where it got something, don't trust it. Tip 8. Be direct. Don't be vague. Be specific. Instead of "tell me about the moon," try "give me 3 surprising facts about the moon in 1 sentence each." Clarity in, clarity out. Let's wrap up. These tips make chatbot output more useful, more efficient, and more aligned with what you need. You don't need to be technical, just tactical. Use, iterate, refine, repeat. And yes, this entire presentation, including the visuals, the examples, and even this script, was created using generative AI. Thanks for listening. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.